Honorable Father, Lord, I come before you this morning, Jesus, to thank you so much for waking me up this morning, Lord. Father, it is so dark out the door, but what choice do I have, Lord, but to get up and go where I have to go, Father? This morning, you know the special plan, Lord. Father, the plan is to go up to the embassy, Jesus. Father, I've gone there 9 times already. Father, please don't let them deny me one more time. Peter denied it 3 times, Lord. I don't know how you manage it. Father, then deny me 9 times. It is heartbreaking, but I'm giving it one more shot, Father. And Father, this time I have to get through, Father. I have so many things planned for this visa, Jesus. Father, they're giving away 1,000. Father, if they don't give 999 people, Lord, make them give me it. Lord, not trying to be selfish. But Father, my auntie said she line up one little work over there for me, over in the Bronx. Father, I want to go get the work. Because firstly, I'm going to have to pay back Mr. Django his taxi fare for bringing me down here, Lord, because, you know, St. Thomas to town and the bus not running these hours. And Father, I see the girls them down here in the long pretty hair, Lord, the Peruvian and the Malaysian, Father, them so dear down here in Jamaica. Father, I cannot afford them on a normal budget, Jesus. I want to go over there and buy some for myself to come back and look hot and be on fleek. Lord, the pit them to go back to school, the 8 of them, Jesus. The 8 of them are got town school, Father. And as much as our country them come from, Jesus, I want them to look good in them hush puppy shoes and them Jan Sport bag. So, Father, I want to go over foreign to buy them because the Father not helping to take care of them down here, Jesus. And I can't afford to be buying the other little John Sport and the next one, them, Father. Them don't last long. Father, I want my pit them to blend in with the pit them from up at Norbrook and Cherry Gardens and look like them a town people too. And yes, Lord, I want to just say that I take the plane. I want to go on the plane and take some pictures. And I want to do a whole heap of things. And Father, I want to play in the Sino. Yes, I plan to go in the December time. I want to play in the Sino. So Father, I have a whole heap of plans for this trip. Father, please don't make them deny me. Lord, I'm begging you. Father, please don't send me to the window where the woman I give with the whole heap of green paper then, because the only green paper, Jesus, Lord, that I want is the Benjamin. Father, please help me out, Lord. You see and you hear my cry. Me is begging you. I want to come back. I want to come build up my chicken coop bigger. I want to put a taxi on the road, Father. I want to do so many things. Give me this one opportunity. Father, I promise you if I get this visa, I'm not going to run off this time. I might go and come back a few little time and I might run off eventually. Depends on how things work down here with the tax package and all of that. But Father, for now, I promise you diligently that I shall go and come back. In your precious name I pray. Amen.